Hello everyone. Are you frustrated with your Mac's sluggish performance? If you are constantly facing slowdowns, a frozen application, or the spinning beachball due to insufficient memory, I've got the solution for you. In this comprehensive tutorial, I'll show you how to free up RAM and speed up your Mac automatically using the Memory Cleaner app. Let's get started. To download Memory Cleaner, visit nectoni.com, scroll down, and click the download button. It will be saved to your desktop or download folder. Double-click the downloaded DMG file to open it, and drag the Memory Cleaner icon to your Applications folder. When you double-click its icon for the first time, you will see a prompt that reads, "Memory Cleaner is an app downloaded from the internet. Are you sure you want to open it?" Click Open. Next, you need to allow Memory Cleaner to access files in your desktop, downloads, and documents folders. After launching Memory Cleaner, you will notice its icon in the menu bar. The app scans your system and displays memory usage on your Mac. My system has 16 gigabytes of memory. Currently, the memory usage is 8.33 gigabyte, or 52% of the total available memory. Under the memory usage section, you will see a list of all the applications currently running on your device and the amount of memory they use. If there is an app that you don't need to use, right-click on it and select Quit to free up RAM. You can also scroll down the list and quit any running apps you don't need to use. This is a quick and convenient way to free up RAM and improve your device's performance. To automatically free up inactive memory, click the arrow to expand the pane. Then turn the toggle button on to customize it. To adjust how often your Mac automatically cleans up its memory, simply drag the slider to the left or right. Let's set it to clear RAM every hour. I leave the memory and CPU usage settings unchanged. When your Mac reaches the customized settings, it will automatically free up memory. It will free up RAM automatically every hour if memory usage is more than 80% and if CPU usage is less than 20%. Memory Cleaner includes a feature called disk usage. By looking at this window, you can quickly see the amount of junk files, duplicate files, applications, large and old files on your Mac. To view more details for a specific category, click the arrow. For instance, if you click on the arrow for duplicate files, you will see the number of potential duplicates and the amount of disk space they occupy. If you happen to have a lot of junk or duplicate files on your disk, it can be tiring and time-consuming to remove them manually. In such cases, You will need to use an application that can help you remove your junk, duplicate, or old files quickly and efficiently. If you click the Manage My Mac button, a software bundle from Nectoni website will be downloaded to your Mac. To see the memory cleaner preferences or settings, click the arrow for disk usage to shrink the window. Then click the gear icon to access the preferences. If you often experience low memory issues on your Mac, select this option to launch the memory cleaner during system startup. Alternatively, you can drag its icon to the dock and launch it whenever needed. To quickly check the amount of memory used on your device, click the pop-up menu to display the amount of memory as a percentage in the menu bar. Alternatively, you can choose to display the actual memory size by selecting Used from the pop-up menu. This will instantly reflect the change in the menu bar, making it easy to monitor your device's memory usage. Now click Disk Access to allow Memory Cleaner to locate all the files on your disk. You need to grant full disk access. However, for security reasons, you will have to manually grant access to the app. To do this, click the Open Settings to Grant Access button. Toggle the switch on. Enter your admin password and click Modify Settings. Next, click Quit and reopen. You are now fully prepared to utilize all the benefits of the free Memory Cleaner application. I hope you learned something new today. If you did, please consider subscribing by clicking on the LT Lucid Tutorials logo and sharing the video link with your friends. Your support will inspire me to create more videos for you. Thank you for watching.